Yes. This thing is very fast. We're going to chase. Get out of my way, pedestrian. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, it's a night sweeper. Nighthawk. No, we were not. It's not going to escape. What? What the heck? It is fast and dangerous. What the heck? I wish I would have gotten that guy looking at us, just like, what the heck? Just waving. What is it? What the heck is it doing? Yeah! Chase it! What if it knows we're following it? Oh, it's sweeping! Drive circles around it. Let's crash into it. Where are you going? You little sweet bug? Are we doing a donut in the Walmart parking lot? We're going in a circle! I think it knows we're following it. Come back, little one! This is what we do on Friday night. What a race! We're gonna act like we're not chasing. And then sneak up on him. Coming back for you to get rid of him. Because we have nothing else. It's weird. Where are you? Where are you? We are coming after you. I don't see it. How can it escape? It's huge. Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, God. Oh, it's down and hit stuff. No! Get down and hit stuff. No! Get down and hit stuff. I see you.
Yeah, we gonna take it from the bottom to the Windy City. Man,
look at how fast it's going.